We've invited Joe Gomez into the studio, KTRH's own Joe Gomez, probably a guy that is certainly familiar with civil disobedience. But in this case, Joe, fill me in on what is going on in Harris County. Adrian Garcia is the new sheriff of Harris County.
That's
and
right.
We've got allegations now that prior to this sheriff's administration, there was, I just heard in your report, a good old boys network. Is that how it was described?
That was how one activist described it. You know, former Sheriff Tommy Thomas was in charge before Garcia, and this happened back in 2008. Apparently, there were some emails circulating around that were pretty offensive by commanders. Some of the emails featured pictures of a, quote, Fifth Ward Barbie that came with a GED, a Barbie doll, a baby doll, and a bus pass. And then they also had a Greens Point Barbie that came with a 9mm handgun and a meth lab kit. So, I mean, some of these emails are a little bit over the top. This all happened, back in 2008. The Justice Department got involved, and so now they're trying to resolve all of this by having an outside mediator come in and just kind of check out to make sure everything's, peachy keen in the sheriff's
Sheriff
office.
Garcia is bringing in this expert.
That's right. Yeah, Sheriff Garcia is now.
Even though he had nothing to do with this, he's bringing in this expert to kind of quell everybody's fears here.
Right, to just clean up the mess, I guess, his predecessor made. But some activists still have their concerns regardless. Like Juan LX, for instance, still believes that there's some misbehavior being committed by the sheriff's office here.
You have a number of men inside of the Harris County Jail who have been absolutely beaten by guards without justification. Some of these men have been allegedly handcuffed, taken into rooms, doors closed, and beaten by a number of deputies.
Okay, well, that's a pretty stinging
Now, and
allegation.
coming up at 8:17, I'll have my first opportunity to talk with Quan LX here on Houston's Morning News. And I'm interested in speaking with him. I also am interested, has he got any proof, Joe, of this? I mean, these are some serious allegations.
Yeah, they're always very serious allegations with Quan LX is one thing you have to know about him. I mean, in this case, he claims he does. He claims he knows people that this has happened to. So we'll see about that. I've reached out to the sheriff's office. They didn't want to comment on this story, but maybe down the road, Matt, maybe something else will happen.
All right, thank you very much. Our very own KTRH's Gomi.
Thanks, Matt.
Joe Gomez following this story, and he will continue to follow this story.